Hey y'all, I'm Hisha, founder of the DIY Entrepreneurs and the lead facilitator for Scale Up Sessions. With over 15 years of experience as a bookkeeper, starting with QuickBooks Desktop and now specializing in QuickBooks Online, I've helped small business owners set up and manage their QuickBooks Online systems. I also teach the fundamentals of QuickBooks Online for a local business accelerator program. That's why I created Start to Scale program, to provide trusted and practical insights to help you get the most out of QuickBooks Online and grow your business with confidence and become more acquainted with your financial management system. Let's dive into today's topic and get your QuickBooks Online working smarter for your business. Today, I want to talk to you about why it's so important to set up QuickBooks Online correctly from the start. This one step can save you so much time and money, and it's the foundation for building a healthy financial management system as your business grows. Here's the first thing. You begin to establish financial accuracy from day one when you set up QuickBooks Online correctly. You're ensuring that every financial transaction is recorded accurately. That might seem obvious, but I've seen a lot of business owners rush through this step and end up with errors later. These mistakes, like miscategorized transactions or missing information, can snowball, making your financial reports very unreliable. And trust me, as a bookkeeper myself, you don't want the expensive price tag that comes along with hours of cleanup later. So doing it right the first time means that your books are clean and clear, and that's going to save you so much time and money down the road. Secondly, you'll have better financial insights for making business decisions. Another reason to focus on accurate setup is the valuable financial insights you'll get. When QuickBooks Online is set up correctly, you can generate reliable financial reports like your profit and loss statement, your cash flow statements, and most importantly, your balance sheets. These reports aren't just for show. They give you real-time information about how your business is doing. With the right data, you can make informed decisions for your business, you can manage your cash flow better, and you're able to spot the trends like which products or services are most profitable for your business and in what season. Lastly, you'll save money by avoiding costly setup fees. Setting up QuickBooks properly yourself can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. Hiring someone like a CPA or a bookkeeper like myself to fix a bad setup can cost thousands of dollars. Take it from me. But if you take the time to do it right, or you get the proper guidance, you can avoid those fees altogether. And with the Start to Scale program, we provide you with that step-by-step support so that you can set up your QuickBooks Online system without needing to hire an expensive consultant. You save the money up front, and you gain the confidence to manage your financial system yourself. So there you have it. Setting up QuickBooks Online correctly from the start is key to building an accurate, efficient, and cost-effective financial system. And if you're ready to take control of your business finances, sign up for our QuickBooks Online Scale Up Sessions today. The link is below, or you can sign up at scaleupsessions.com. We'll guide you through the process step by step so that you can feel confident about your financial future. Part of the program also is having access to myself as regularly as you need it to answer any questions, to review your setup process, and to just check in and make sure things are set up correctly before you get started. Thank you for joining me. And again, go to www.scaleupsessions.com to get more information about the QuickBooks Online setup order.